Oh no, toys are everywhere, blocks and books and teddy bears, but we know what to do. Clean up time for me and you. Clean up, pick it up, put it away. Clean up, we can make a brighter day. Blocks go back into the box, cars go on the shelf, books go neatly in a row. I can help myself. Clean up, pick it up, put it away. Clean up, we can make a brighter day. Teddy bear goes on the bed, crayons in the cup. One by one and step by step, we pick everything up. Where does this toy go? In the toy box. Is on the floor, a puzzle piece is too. Look around and find the spot, that's the thing to do. Little hands can help a lot, big smiles make it fun. When we clean together, the work is quickly done. Clean up, pick it up, put it away. Play. Look how shiny, look how neat. Ta-da!